we are getting a new car. What will it be? Stay tuned to find out. What's up, guys? Salvadorian boy here. We traded in the Jeep for a Dodge Ram. No, I'm just kidding. This is gonna be the car I'm driving for a few days while the Jeep is in the shop. Look at that moon. So I messed up the driver's side shock by doing that my first time, and that was last year, and I noticed it in January or February or something like that. And we took the Jeep to the dealership, and the dealership said that there was no warranty because if their technician found out that the vehicle had been off-roading, then that would completely void my warranty. So then this last time I went to go get my oil change done, and I told them about it, and the service advisor that was helping me was like, yeah, it's covered under warranty. I mean, they didn't really ask what happened, but they said it was covered under warranty and that they would take care of it. So I am on my way to do that. I'm taking everything out of the Jeep, just because, you know, they say if you leave everything inside your car, we are not liable. We are not liable for any loss of your personal belongings. So that is what I'm doing. So yeah, let's go to Dodge. I put the GoPro session right there by the tire so you can see the movement of the shock. Most of the hydraulic fluid is already out of it, I think, and I feel like the shock travels more. So I'm going to Dodge. I am going to drop off the Jeep. I'm going to drop off Rex, and hopefully we can get a loaner so I can move around. We still don't have the bike back from Loudmouth Cycles. From what they told me, I've been talking to Steven, and one, the battery was messed up, and two, the stator is bad. So I think that's what our issue is. Let me get the GoPro session out of here so we don't lose it on our way to Dodge. I gotta get the camera out of here now. That was just for informational purposes only, so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Now let's go to Dodge. So I just feel like it's more bumpy. Maybe it's my mind telling me that the driver's side sags more than the passenger side. I don't know. But I put the GoPro session there so you guys can see what I'm talking about. So yeah, it got messed up. I know it got messed up whenever I went to Freeport and tried to go off-road. So we have made it to the service center, and let's see if we can get a loaner. Let's go.
Man, that's been a long time.
Yeah.
That's okay. Which one did I say that was leaking out?
The driver's side. No, I told you it was a driver's side.
Driver's side?
Yeah.
Now, if there's been any damage or anything like that, then it wouldn't be covered, but it should be covered, okay?
So this is what we're gonna get to drive for the next couple of days. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. Clean. Kind of. I like my Jeep better. This is a new 1500 Hemi 5.7 liter, if that matters for a loaner. Let's go do a tour. Let's go. I forgot the camera. I gotta put my seatbelt on. Well, I think that'll do it for this video. Wait. There's something's not right. Hang on. That's much better. Yeah. Well, this is the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Thank you for giving it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing, and don't forget, you guys are awesome. We'll see y'all later. Bye, guys. So it's currently the next day, and they called me and told me that the Jeep was ready. They replaced driver's side and passenger side shocks because they said they were leaking. So I said, okay. I put gas in this thing, and it took $15 just so that they won't charge me. So I guess that's better than being charged whatever their gas fee is. But yeah,